You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. Pronunciation, a name of German origin. If you want to learn more confusing German surnames, stay tuned. The German pronunciation and how to pronounce it in English. It means meadow brook, meadow brook. Auerbach. Auerbach would be the German pronunciation. In English is generally pronounced more as Auerbach. Auerbach, not Auerbach. I don't think that's very common. How do you pronounce it yourself? Are you an Auerbach? How do you pronounce it? Where are you from? Or do you pronounce it Auerbach? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.